By now, there are several of the victims that are from North Texas, that have North Texas ties. We were able to identify some of those names and some of those victims for you. And for that, I want to send things out to Braceda Olguin. She is standing by live for us now at St. Rita Church in Dallas. And Braceda, you've been able to confirm some more names and some more of these victims. Unfortunately, again, just so much heartbreak here. But bring us up to speed with what you've been able to learn tonight.
Yeah, Ken, as you mentioned, so many ties to North Texas. Now, throughout the day, and actually since yesterday evening, there's been several prayer services to honor victims who are still missing and those who have been confirmed as dead. Earlier here at St. Rita Catholic Church, many gathered to honor two girls who passed away in the floods. The parents of Blair and Brooke Harbor tell me the two attended school here. One of them is 11 years old. The other is 13. Their grandparents, Mike and Charlene Harbor, are still missing. The church says the entire family was staying along the Guadalupe River. The cabin where the two girls and the grandparents were staying was swept away by flood waters. Now, we've also confirmed 3 girls attending Camp Mystic are from the North Texas area. And earlier today in Highland Park, there were prayer services for them. The family of 9-year-old Lila Bonner confirmed with us she is dead. Hadley Hannah and Eloise Peck are also from the Dallas area and remain missing. Now, the city of Fort Worth says they've received several calls from families unable to reach their loved ones and therefore created an assistance hotline. That number is right up on your screen. It's 817-392-5891. The city says they've also sent first responders to Central Texas to help with all of the aftermath.
That we have approximately 19 personnel that answered the call to respond to the disaster area yesterday. So between yesterday and this morning, we've set personnel and equipment.
Now, the city of Fort Worth says they received that request for help from the State Emergency Management Agency. Now, stay with us as we continue to learn more about the families and those impacted by this devastating flood tragedy. For now, reporting live in Dallas, Braceda Olguin, CBS News Texas. Back to you, Ken.